Hello, welcome back guys to Amelia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change a Google Play Store name on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly here of course I'm going to open my Google Play Store on my phone. I'm going to open it like this, and now go ahead to your account here at the top right in the corner of your screen. And after, if you wanna change your name of your Google Play Store, this is my Google Play Store's name, yeah guys, which is Melia for Honey. You just have to tap on this Google account options. And also here, you have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet, yeah guys. And now, just go ahead to this personal info. As you can see, this is a name option. Just tap on it, yeah guys. If you want to change your Google Play Store name, here you just have to remove for the name you use. Here I'm gonna tap on name options. Now here, for example, I'm gonna change it. I only use my first name like this. And if you done, tap on the save button here at the bottom. And yeah, it's successfully, yeah guys. You just have to go back. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.